a little bit of scrap in this dumpster. Come on, sink. We have a slight emergency on our hands. Not really an emergency, but it's not good at all. Something busted the rear window out. Cover. Every wall must go. I gotta get this fixed, come back here and build this whole wall back today. And that's gonna take way longer probably than taking it apart. Okie dokie, YouTube. So, the USPS guy said he's driving right now, or he doesn't have time, whatever. I'm not going to do that right now, but I would like to go do it, and I got the Scrapyard's info. I can text them the letterhead from the post office first. We're going to do a cleanup in the rain in Essex, Maryland. I might get a little footage afterwards. I'll be there at 1:09, and you have to be to the landfill by 3. So hopefully I can clean this up in like an hour and 45 minutes to give me 5 minutes to strap everything up. We're pushing it, guys. We're pushing it. Let's get it. YouTube. I didn't record it at all, but I did this big trailer full of a deck demo and all kinds of other trash. There's metal in that corner. It's not that much. I'm gonna keep some of these 2x6s. I think they're in pretty good shape. There's a couple 8-footers here, but I don't know about these right here. But I'm still not done. I gotta go back tomorrow and remove maybe like 10 to 12 more boards, 12 feet long. Some of them are a little bit moldy and messed up and cracked. We worked very hard today. It's almost 7 p.m. Yeah, there's a couple just like this too, and we don't want anything to do with those. We'll get more footage tomorrow, guys. Sheesh. Oh, and I'm supposed to go get a couple of appliances after I'm done with all the cleanup. I told them I'll be there as soon as I leave the landfill. Let's get it, YouTube. Get these Virginia creepers off of this bush. This stuff grows so quick, it's crazy. Alright, guys, I'll get more footage tomorrow. YouTube. So, after 3 junk removal loads from one big giant 12-foot trailer full of treated lumber, I only have like 250, 300 pounds of steel, but I have to go do another cleanup in South Baltimore. So I'm dropping off $8 worth of steel. I don't know, we'll get more scrap footage in the near future, but right now I'm hustling and junk removing like crazy. 63.20, sheesh, that's the lowest scrapyard run I've done in so long. It's okay though, I'm going back to that job that had that garage door. I'm gonna cut that up when I get down there and load that up, and then there's a bunch of drywall and crap like that. Let's get it. They're packed real fast, guys. I didn't even record it. It's like literally around 200 and some pounds maybe. $61.40. That's a low load, guys. It's all right. I emptied the truck. Now we can go get to work. 180 pounds, guys. We're not even going to talk about this load. Let's go get this clean up and this garage door taken care of for this nice gentleman in South Baltimore. We're going through the tunnel, YouTube. Everything must go, guys. Baltimore traffic. 95 South. Approaching the tunnel. The city is on our right hand side. McHenry Tunnel. Welcome to Baltimore. this out, guys. There's some big old poles, like playground poles or something. I got 2 of them in there. I had to cut one off of this chunk of concrete. Took forever. There's the garage door track. And then here's the whole door up here, and all this I'm cleaning up. Vinyl and everything. Taking this whole thing with me. There was a couple snakes up here earlier. I let them run away. But yeah, we're getting this out of here. I don't know if I'm gonna cut this baby up or just put it in there whole up against the bed or the cab and then roll with it. I'm not gonna have time to make it to the landfill today, so I don't really have like a rush job now. Oh, we're far away from home, so we don't want to be here all day either. I wonder if these doors are aluminum. I believe they are. Steel doors. Ain't that crazy? Alright, it's probably going in one big chunk. Yeah, that concrete is a headache, and that concrete is a headache. We'll get the little wheels off so they don't fly off while I'm driving. Alright, I just wanted to show you guys what I got going on here. I'm gonna load it all up for this guy. This is the second time I've been down here, actually. Let's get it, YouTube. Baltimore City rush hour traffic. Oh yeah. Adding 20 minutes to our drive time, minimum. We'll get more footage in the morning, guys. Ladies and gentlemen, so I did 3 junk removal jobs in a row. Not much scrapping. A guy called me early this morning. There's a water heater and a stove right there behind them dumpsters. I'm gonna pick them up. I'm surprised they're here, but they're kind of hidden. But my truck has maybe a quarter of a load of metal, but not much. Besides that, we're gonna throw these on here. I only got like an hour and a half before I have to go to the scrapyard, so I don't know about a full load. But let's load this up and go. So all this is leftover from jobs that I did. The garage doors are still here. I kept 1 sheet of plywood. There is a little treadmill up there, some lamp fixtures and crap like that, and then we're gonna get this hot water heater out of here. Ew, what is this? Oh, that's that. Yeah, that's the foam spray crap. There's a little bit of brassola on here, guys. He asked me to get this way earlier this morning. This is a small water heater. There's no water in it though, that's a good thing. I'm gonna get out a pipe wrench. I gotta untie this, make a little bit of room. We're gonna load this stuff up. Try to get a little bit of metal before we go to the yard and empty the truck. Pressure washing tomorrow, guys. I've been kind of busy lately. Copper. Okay guys, I drove to another complex real quick. We do not have much time. We got like 20 minutes. We don't have much metal either. There's a sink. Need a hammer. Some kind of metal something in there. Sheet metal or something. I think we're going to get a sink. I see a couple pots and pans and maybe a car frame, but that could be plastic. We're gonna need a hammer. There's a little bit of metal in here. 20-ounce DeWalt. That's wood. Something just beat. Careful. Falling everywhere. Oh, that's a muffler. A car muffler. I knew that wasn't no regular pot. There's a razor knife. We're gonna dig some. There's another muffler. There's two like sidestepping truck things. A few shelves. There's a little bit of metal in here, guys. Come on, clips. There we go. Okay, careful. There's a couple little pots and pans, a little bit of shelves. There's a little bit of scrap in this dumpster. Come on, sink. Aluminum. Paint scraper. Very little bit of wire. Oh, I thought these were... Hey, I think that is metal. That's like a beer cat tap or something. We definitely want them, thought these were mufflers at first. They're not. Yeah, they're sticks for the side of vehicles. These are getting scrapped for sure. Something's beeping. Watch the glass. Watch the glass. Oh, that's aluminum, I think. Some kind of, what's it called? Speaker thing. Oh, this thing's heavy too. That baby's heavy and we want some weight. Tripod. A lamp, some shelves. Oh, there's a bed frame way under here and I do not have time right now to tear this whole dumpster open. Don't get knocked down. Whoa, that could have been bad, guys. Yeah, under here is I see a whole bed frame. A lot of a bed frame. Sheesh. I can't sit here and dig that all out right now. Or we're gonna miss the yard.
Shoot.
I don't have my snips. There's a plumber's brass on that sink. We have time to get some plumber's brass off the sink though. I don't have much non-ferrous on my truck right now. There's a bathroom cabinet thing too. Heads up, YouTube. There we go, there we go, there we go. Keep the plastic. Can we get down in here and grab this real fast or what? Oh, this must go. Knock a little bit of the wood off. Wood weight, wood weight. Not much going on in that baby. Nah. Alright guys, it ain't much weight, but we got something. Let's get out of here. You just said you didn't have time for this, man. You just said it. Wave high for the camera. All right, we gotta go, like right now. There's more frames. We got a little metal out of here. Not a lot, but a little. Quick scrap raid, guys. YouTube, we're on the way to the scrapyard. We have a slight emergency on our hands. It's not really an emergency, but it's not good at all. Something busted the rear window out. Right before I left there, I closed the door and I heard rocks falling. I looked at my windshield right away. Nothing. I think a bucket jumped up and hit it, but I'm not sure. Maybe something slid through and cracked it. So the problem is I have the fencing, like the homemade headache rack and the wood there, so I probably had to take the sidewalls off to get it repaired, and that takes a lot of time. I don't even want to show you guys. I'll show you real fast. Oh my gosh. I'm going to empty my truck. I got a pressure washing job tomorrow morning. I don't know what to do.
Take exit 74 toward Fasten.
Let's go to this scrapyard and get on the scale, guys. It's going to be a few pounds less because all the glass is missing. We'll be there shortly. Okay, guys. We're getting on the scale.
Right. Then the destination is on your right.
Remember, this is not a full load. And I'm probably I might take just stainless for the non-ferrous to get this out of the back of the truck real fast. We are looking at, it's not a full load, guys. 6,940 pounds. Let's go throw everything out, guys. Okay, I'm keeping the plywood, obviously. Do these quick. These are stainless, I believe. I bet you one of these bed frames went through there and hit it. It's not good. It's not good. Come on, stove. It's trapped under there. Mr. Stove. Yeah, one of these right here slid through there and cracked it, I think. I think I'm gonna have to take all this off in order to get it replaced. I don't see how they could do it any other way. Bye-bye water heater. Everything must go, YouTube. Everything must go. That's a very small amount of aluminum. Very small amount of aluminum. Steel. My baby. My baby. It's broke. Completely honest, I don't know how it happened still. Aluminum. Aluminum. Alright, YouTube, I'm gonna throw all this out and then get footage in a little bit. Okie, we got that thrown out. We're just gonna have to take the sidewalls off and build it back stronger. That's all there is to it, YouTube. We're looking at 6,240. Not much weight. I'm gonna go do the non-fares. It's not much, and then we'll head out and see what we made, guys. Really fast, YouTube. 6940 to 6240 was 700 even. It's not a big load. And the non-fares I wanted to see, the dirty sink was 70 cents. The stainless steel irony was 252. Wah wah. Aluminum was 817 per grand total. 2 scrap runs in the row that were very low. 20, 40, 61, 2. The other one was 13. I might have to just delete all this footage and skip to a nice good one. Everything must go, YouTube. We're out here hustling, getting past all these little curveballs and headaches, because they have been coming left and right for months now. It's always something up, non-stop. But we're gonna keep fighting through it, right? Tomorrow we got a big pressure washing job. Let's get it. Good morning, YouTube. It's a beautiful day. Beautiful Monday morning. So last week I recorded real quick a blooper that happened with my truck on Friday. If you can look pretty close, you can see wind is just pouring in the back of the scrap mobile. This is not good, guys. We busted a window. I'm going first thing this morning to get it looked at right now and see what they say. I realized later that day I'm gonna have to take all these walls, take all this apart in order for them to get in here and fix this. There's no way I'm putting plastic on it and hoping it works for a week or something. But if they tell me I can't get it taken care of first thing, then I'm going to try to do some work first or pick up some scrap. All these people are calling me. We had a one-day weekend again. Let's get it, let's get it, let's get it. Oh, and we got to mow the grass when we get home. We're on our way to the glass place. It's 3 minutes away. It's like a wind tunnel, guys. Okie dokie. So, the lady said they can order it, the window, and it'll be here by noon. I could go get all these mailboxes like 25 minutes away and then take them to the yard, which will take like 3 hours, and it's like 9:45, I think. I'm just gonna go grab 3 appliances from these apartments, go back to my house. We're gonna take everything off of the truck and then be ready at noon to hopefully go get this glass fixed. I'm so worried if I take these walls off, she's gonna say they're not gonna have it for 2 days or something crazy like that. Let's get it, YouTube. I don't feel like it's a great idea to take anything off the truck until it's a fact, like they have it ready. But I'm gambling here, and it supposedly takes 1 hour or less to get a window repaired. Okay guys, we're starting off with a dishwasher. I'm gonna cut the hoses and I guess get the motor off this baby. Cut the wires. All that good stuff. Healthy for good. Then there's a stove and another dishwasher here as well. And there's no metal in here, but I did look. That's a wooden door, or it would be coming with a... And that looks like just trash. This is a dishwasher motor. I'm gonna take this little brass piece off. A bunch of people were saying you just beat these with a hammer and they break right off. I thought the post went way up in here, like a motor locked it so you couldn't do that. So I always just cut right through all these in front of the screws, and then I cut the post too. But real quick, I'm gonna see if I can just beat this off here. I got a maul, 4 pound, 5 pound beater, and this right here. We put on glasses because we don't want to go blind first thing on Monday morning. Ready? Okay, that worked. That worked. And I guess you just smack this too, right? Smack it, baby. Oh, you can see the whole motor in there, guys. Okay. We have a motor, YouTube. I thought this post went in there and was like connected to a metal blade or whatever, and then it would lock it in place even if you did hit it with a hammer. I'm gonna clean all this mess up now and keep the motor, obviously. We already cut the little wires off too. He said there was a dishwasher right here, but I think he meant the one up there. And there's a bunch of bed frames in this corner. I'm loading all this up right now, guys. And there's just wood in there, and we don't want wood. We do not want wood. Yeah, this is crazy. I'm gonna have to stack everything in my house temporarily because we gotta go get our window fixed. I was talking to Cisco down in Texas, and he was saying I should screw some grill grates over top of this back window and the fence as well. That way it'll just be more, so less can go through there. I honestly 100% really don't know what happened, how it happened. Because I closed this back window and I heard it shatter. It's possible right here got cracked and then it folded in, spider webbed, and then broke out the middle, but it's possible this happened. And I did throw a couple small bed frames up in here, but in 3 years that's never happened before, guys. It's always something, YouTube. You gotta accept and move on. But yeah, we're getting metal regardless. I was supposed to go get some mailboxes today, but I don't think I can now because he needs it gone by today, and I'm not going to have the walls and stuff back on my truck until later today. We don't know how this is going to work out, guys. But I do know one thing, YouTube. Absolutely, no matter what, everything must go. So we're going to get as much as we can. All right, I'm going to load these up and we go look for a stove and another dishwasher real quick. Smile for the shadow, YouTube. Stop. Number 3. Actually, yeah, number 3. I'll just grab these bed frames. I'm going to grab this stove. Oh, there's a fan in there. We're grabbing the fan as well. Maybe I can just walk it to the truck. That won't take 45 minutes. I do have the hand truck, but whatever. Oh, ha, 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 ha. The wheel. Yeah. Would have been better off just walking it, guys. It made so much noise. We have a stove. Can we put that back in there? No. We don't need more broken glass on the truck, that's for sure. These are usually reverse thread, guys. Loosen to the right. Did anybody see The Simpsons where they went to Australia to see if the toilets flush backwards? And all the frogs came out of nowhere or whatever, long time ago? I did, I'm a weirdo, I remember that. I'm getting these plastic casing off of this fan because it's getting on my nerves just because. Come on, plastic casing off this fan. Yeah, baby. Moving right along. Yeah, I should bust that off as well, but I'm not going to right now. We can cut this baby off too and have another motor if we would like. I'm gonna load this up and we're gonna keep going. Okie dokie, YouTube. We made it back to the ranch. I'm about to start taking everything off, sitting it tight to the side, and then I gotta get out the screw gun. There's so much bolts and screws to take off, but in a way it's good because this is loose. So the last 3 months I've been wanting to put metal corners on here and then screw it really tight to keep it even harder so it won't keep shifting as much like my last truck. And I never got them bent. My buddy at the storage unit was going to, and then he didn't. So I might even cut them off like a washing machine, the corners, because it's just about the right height, and then I can screw it really tight on there in the future. But I got to break all this down, take the fencing off. There's all these support metal brackets and all drilled into all the pieces. It's going to take a while. I'm going to try to label it real quick. I might get a little footage as we're going, but I'm not looking forward to this, and I have like 1 hour. And put the stove and dishwasher maybe right in front of this thing. I could not find a third dishwasher. I drove around twice, could not find it. It's bulk trash collection day in my neighborhood. That carpet and the other one is going to go out front. They're large objects that we don't want. If you look really hard, there's the carpet sticking up. Alright, let's get to work, guys. OMG, there's deck screws. There's a 1/4 inch. There might be a 5/16 here and there. We need all the drill bits. Come on, glass. You're hurting my feelings. Boy, let me tell you how fun this is, YouTube. I still haven't even started on the walls. I need to be done in like 30 minutes. Tarps and all kinds of air pumps and everything. I got the tools out. About to start unscrewing everything. Sheesh. Moving tools to the front, taking stuff out. There's a lot of stuff in here. There's all kinds of stuff. Raincoats, tarps, you name it. Cleaning glass as I go, guys. We'll get this out the way in one day, hopefully. I want to get this finished and go pick up these mailboxes today. That's the goal. Let's get it. Okay, guys, I'm running pretty late, so I'm probably just gonna get the rest of this off and go. Need to be to this window place like now, and she said I can be about a half hour late, and they said it takes like 1 hour, so I need to hurry up. We're getting it. It wasn't too bad. There's just so much hardware to remove. It was very inconvenient, I will say that. Very inconvenient. But I can take my time and see what all needs fixed up better and everything like that. Let's get it, YouTube. Every wall must go. I gotta get this fixed, come back here and build this whole wall back today. And that's gonna take way longer probably than taking it apart. Yeah. Truck looking great, don't it? Okay, let's take this baby to get fixed. They're gonna tune her up for us, guys. Easy day, YouTube, easy day. Hey guys, I told you we moved close to the city line. Well, this glass place is literally like 6 minutes from my house, and I've been here 10 minutes. They done vacuumed the whole thing, and the dude's already putting glue around it. It's supposed to take an hour. I wonder if that means to let it dry or whatever. I'm hoping they put this on here fast. He said they only had a tinted rear window, but it's still the same price. If I get this done, I'm going back home and building them walls back stronger, and going to get this, we're going on a post office run, scrap metal, a bunch of mailboxes, and I got a letter approving the pickup. Ladies and gentlemen, these guys just put this window on here in like 7 minutes. I'm not joking. They put extra glue, they taped it. They're like, don't speed today, no car washes. Pull the tape off tomorrow, like $300 and some. And I told them all thank you, because I really needed it done. Okay, they're going this way, so I'm going this way. But it's done. We got a tinted rear window on here, guys. But that saves me so much time, so I'm heading straight back to put the walls on right now. It's 2 o'clock, so we gotta fly, because we have some work to do today. Oh my gosh, that was fast. Like lightning fast. Look at that tinted window back there, guys. I know you don't want to see a whole video on just getting a window fixed, but I mean, it's nothing I could do about it. Let's go put these walls on and then go on a USPS adventure with permission from a postal service worker. Okie dokie, everybody. We're getting started now. I'm gonna build this back better. As fast as possible, and try to strengthen it up as I go. I'm gonna be a little while here, but want to be completely finished in about 1.5 hours. Let's get it, guys. I'll get more footage after this is done. I'm not gonna record each step, putting it back just like I took it off, with tighter screws and stuff like that. Let's get it. Then I gotta load everything back here. It's a lot of like tarps and crap like that.